So we are government, and we are going to direct you through our executive, our ministers who are here, that this is where we need your support. And this is a very good beginning. That's what I would like to say. But I don't want to sit down before I say that the thing that has really messed this country, our country, and this country is Kenya, and our governments, county governments, a disease called corruption. Corruption. And we don't want partners to assist us to do corruption. Because a good donor from the United States is giving you money to help the people of Kenya, the people of Nyamira, and he gives you $100. We'd like to see that $100 being used for the well-being of the people of Nyamira. This is the message we want to say. That corruption is what has really killed us. Okay? And I'm not afraid of saying it. Corruption, whether it is at the very minimal level or at the high level. This is what we need to address. So partners and government in Nyamira, if you want to put something in Nyamira for the baby or for the child in Nyamira or for the woman, Linda Mama, please be honest and give that $1 shilling for the people of Nyamira. Not to take it back to your pocket. This is the message I really would like to leave for this gathering. That partners, we appreciate you. We do appreciate you. But we don't want you get what you have for the people of this county, and you will take it back to your pocket for your own benefit. Hiyo kitu limeumiza sisi sana. Ufisadi. And there's no small ufisadi and big ufisadi. We want to use what we have for the people, delivery of service, education, health, roads, network. We cannot deliver services without multi-sectoral approach to all these sectors. And I don't want to talk anymore. I would like to declare this meeting officially open for now. But remember, the word corruption should be. Think about it as you proceed with the rest of the day. I want because we have so many people in Nyamira suffering in Nyansiongo, and nobody is there, and everybody is in the world. So this is an important meeting for us as a government, the county government of Nyamira, where we are saying, welcome to us. You have little resources put to this county, but we shall come together and ask you, A, B, C. A, stay there, B, go there, and C, go to that end, so that we are able to serve the people of the county appropriately. So this is an important beginning for the county of Nyamira in the advent of evolution, because we are a government, just like the national government. We only share a few issues. We have an executive, we have an legislative arm of government. We only share the judiciary out of the three arms of government. But in the 80s, during the pandemic of HIV/AIDS, we used to have so many donors, partners, coming particularly to Nyanza province, and not going anywhere. We agreed that we must organize think this is good for us. In the mirror, we need to put the partners together and tell them we need your assistance there and not here. Somali Republic from Somalia. And we had several partners coming into Kenya to assist us, giving humanitarian support to our country. And I'm sitting in for the governor, His Excellency Yaribo, who due to other commitments will not be here this morning. And just me come and read his message to you. And at the end of reading the message, I also make my own small out of cup message to all of you. I'm a medical doctor. I've been a medical doctor for many years. Also been a physician, and I'm still one. And I have a lot to share with everyone in this country. I'm sure that there's more who's older than me in this gathering. They say that just grow up and see them and you think they are anything together. This is a fairly, I may not be able to translate it properly. But let me read the message of the governor to you people. And then I will get my own small I just want to make it very clear. I have been in service for some time now. I've been a medical doctor for 27 years. I've been retired before I joined the hospital. There have been quite a number of partners in the 80s and 90s. And I know we have had a lot of interaction, particularly the years 90s to the year 2000. And as a government, at that time, we agreed that there are many donors who are coming into assistance.